How to record a two-measure drum groove. This is for Project 1 of Introduction to MIDI class. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the different parts of the drum groove together, one piece at a time, so you don't have to play the whole groove all at once. Let's start by going to our transport and making sure that our click and count-off options are correct. So I'm going to go down here, double-click on that little icon, and you can see here that it says that it's going to click only during record, which is perfect. That way we won't hear it when we do playback, when we check in our groove out. Cool, let's make sure we turn the click on, so that it should turn blue there. We have to record and enable the drum track, and I think I'm ready to go. I'm going to give myself about 2 measures of time here before I come in playing at bar number 3. And I'll just start with some very simple eighth notes on the hi-hat. Cool. So there's our eighth notes. And if we want to listen to this, we can just put our cursor here on the timeline and hit the space bar. That'll work for now. Next thing I want to do is I want to add some more sounds here. I'm going to add some backbeats on 2 and 4. And I just want to show you what happens if we try to record right now. It'll do something that we don't want, which is it actually erases the notes that are already there. So I'm going to hit Command Z to undo that. And I'm going to go back to my transport and turn on MIDI merge mode. This allows us to merge the new performance I'm about to do with the hi-hats that are already there. So, got my snare drum. I'm going to add some snare drums on 2 and 4, and they will be added to the hi-hats that I've already played. Here we go. Cool. It's not perfect, that's okay. We can go back and edit this stuff later. Just trying to get the tracks down for now. And then we can kind of groom these 2 measures and then eventually duplicate them or repeat them to fill out the first 8 measures of our project. So I think the last thing I'm going to show you here is just adding some kick drum. So again, I've got my cursor set up 1 bar before the groove starts. And this time I'm just going to add some kick drum. Cool, there you have it. To listen back, just hit the space bar. And that's how you get the first 2 measures of your drum groove created.